To attract qualified electricians, firstly, consider implementing referral programs. Offer incentives to your current employees or even your clients for referring qualified candidates to your company. This can be a very effective way to tap into a network of skilled professionals who are vouched for by trusted sources. Secondly, leverage social media outreach. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your job openings and showcase your company's culture and values. Consider using targeted advertising to reach specific demographics and skill sets within the electrical trade. Thirdly, establish partnerships with educational institutions. Connect with local trade schools and universities to recruit potential apprentices or recent graduates. Offering internships or providing support to their programs can create a pipeline of talent for your company. Fourthly, actively participate in industry events. Attend industry conferences, trade shows, and networking events to connect with potential candidates. Hosting workshops or demonstrations to showcase your company's expertise can also attract attention. Fifthly, explore the option of outsourcing recruitment. Consider working with a recruitment agency that specializes in placing electrical contractors. These agencies have access to a wider pool of qualified candidates and can streamline the hiring process. Sixthly, emphasize training and development opportunities. Highlight your company's commitment to providing professional development opportunities for your employees. This can attract candidates who are eager to expand their skills and knowledge and advance their careers. Seventhly, clearly articulate the potential for career growth within your company. Offer opportunities for leadership and management roles to attract ambitious individuals who are looking for long-term career prospects. Eighthly, consider offering flexibility and promoting work-life balance. Flexible work arrangements or benefits that support work-life balance, such as paid time off, parental leave, or remote work options, can be very appealing to potential candidates. Ninthly, showcase your company's positive culture. Highlight your company's positive work environment, culture, and values. Share testimonials from current employees or showcase team-building initiatives on social media or your website to attract candidates who value a positive workplace. Tenthly, target candidates who enjoy working on old house renovations. Advertise specifically to individuals who are passionate about preserving historical structures. Emphasize the unique challenges and rewards of working on old houses, as this can attract candidates who are specifically interested in this type of work. 11thly, utilize video content to showcase your company. Create short videos that highlight the benefits of working for your company, the types of projects you handle, and the opportunities for professional growth. Video content can be a very effective way to attract potential candidates and give them a glimpse into your company's culture. Finally, consider using alternative job titles. Explore using job titles that may appeal to a broad audience, such as electrical restoration specialist or historic building electrician. This can help you attract candidates who might not otherwise consider applying for a traditional electrician position. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve your chances of attracting and hiring qualified electricians to meet your company's growing needs.